Hi Pamper Buds. If you all like this video, please like, share and comment below, and I have shared the link of my Facebook group in the description. So when you join this group, you will be able to get every Body Shop product that you love with amazing discounts and offers. I have these offers running 365 days a year, no matter whether it's there in the stores, online, and about 100% of the time I always have prices that are better than online and stores. And now you also have the option of shipping it directly to your house, and it doesn't matter where you live in UK, you can get these Body Shop products absolutely easily to your doorstep with no human contact. So let me know if you need any of these products, and we'll quickly get back to the video now. Today I wanted to have a small chat with you. So I have just washed my face, and you can see that I do have quite a few blemishes on my face, and I have normal skin, so I usually switch between the vitamin E ranges and drops of youth and oils of life for my morning and night routine. But whenever I have blemishes, this is something that I use, tea tree skin clearing face mask. So you all know by now, whoever is there in the group, that tea tree is the best range to use for people who have active blemishes and acne. But it's not necessary to always for people who have that kind of acne prone skin to use. Even normal or any other skin types who have blemishes or active acne, you can quickly pop a little bit on the spots, do a spot treatment during your morning routine, or while you're masking you can apply the skin clearing clay mask. This really helps in them clearing out quickly. But that's not what I want to talk to you guys about today. It's about the vitamin C liquid peel. Vitamin C liquid peel or vitamin C range, as such, is derived from camu berry. This has 60 times more vitamin C than orange, and therefore it is one of our most popular ranges. Here you can see the berry right here. So this is one of our most popular ranges in Body Shop. Almost, I should say, 80% of my customers who come asking me for a product ask me for a vitamin C product at first, and then they diverge to other ranges. So what's the speciality of glow revealing liquid peel? um, your skin, especially in your face, there's a lot of dead cells that build up. So you need to always exfoliate your skin, whether it's on your body or on your face. So this exfoliation removes the dead external layer and also the impurities that are associated with it, and gives you a glow that is your actual skin. And it's important to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to have a really glowy and clear looking skin. It prevents oils, impurities, blemishes, all of these from coming onto your skin and building up. So I'm going to show you what glow revealing liquid peel does. So the way you use it is, it always comes with a small pump. So you take about 2 pumps of the liquid peel. I have one. I'm just going to apply it to the face. And you can already see this is the second pump, right? Just look at what happens. As I massage on my face for say about 10 seconds, you can already see you. It's gross, but and hard to believe, but these are the dead cells that are there in your face. It's really gross and weird to be showing you and doing this, and almost everybody who has seen this, they refuse to believe it's skin. But the way I show it to them is, I apply on this hand and I allow them to exfoliate and rinse it off, and I ask them to compare between the two hands, and you will see where I have exfoliated, it has a smoother texture and an immediate glow. to that area. And one of my customers, a few days ago, she actually tried this, and she was amazed. She was like, look at this, look at this, it's so smooth and glowing, it's so much different from the other hand. And she was way too surprised. So look at the amount of dead cells that's there in my on my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly rinse this off and come back to you and continue to talk about it. So here I'm back. I've just rinsed off my face, and you can see immediately what kind of glow it has. And the skin really feels absolutely refreshed and softer, smoother, and really easy to very smooth to touch. And you can feel the difference immediately as soon as you have used the liquid peel. So what I am going to tell you, an interesting thing is that you can get this liquid peel for free. So this liquid peel retails at £18.50, and I'm telling you that you can get this for free. All you have to do is, I will be sharing a link of my group along with this post, and you just have to invite friends who are in UK to the group. The moment they join, and the person who's inviting the maximum number of people will get this vitamin C liquid peel, which is £18.50 for free. Absolutely, you don't even have to place an order for that. You will get this for free. So this is what I am giving you guys for inviting people to my group. So you can ask me, so I might invite people for the group, how do you know how many I have invited, and how will you check? So I'm going to show you a series of photos where I know how a person is invited by another person, and at what time, what day. All those details are visible to me as an admin of this group. So it's not only for people. If you can see here, I can actually know which person has been invited by whom and when. Sometimes I can even see how many minutes and days ago. So it's very easy for me to track everybody who's been invited to the group. So the freebie is not only for people who have invited the highest number of members to my group, but also for everybody almost who's going to invite people into my group. So for those who invite 20 people, and when they join, I will be giving you a soap for free of your choice, which retails at £2.50. So you get this for free. While if people invite 40 friends or family into my group, and when they join, they will get a hand cream which retails at £5 for free. And for people who invite 60 people or more, they will be getting a coffee, a mini mask, or any mini mask of your choice, why not, for free. So this is for 60 people or more. And I'll probably give you a bath bubble also along with it. And for those who invite 100 people or more, will get a body butter and body lotion of their choice for free. And this is absolutely wonderful, because this by itself is almost about £10. And so just imagine, when you buy for £50 in a store or online, you're going to get a £5 cashback, or cashback into your loyalty card. Right here, you don't have to do anything. You just have to invite so many people, your friends, family, or anybody who's in UK whom you know. And you're going to get lots of Body Shop products for free by just doing nothing. So this is an absolutely great opportunity for all of you to get freebies from Body Shop, and you can choose what you want, and I'll be able to ship it to you guys very happily. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about. Grab this opportunity for getting freebies, and I will keep you updated about the progression of the number of people who have added, and who's on the leaderboard. So I'll give you all those information. But for any of you who actually like the vitamin C liquid peel and want to order now, you can go ahead and order. You can drop a message with me. I can place your orders, and it will be shipped to you directly from the warehouse. So that's about it, and happy weekend, stay safe, and until I see you guys again, bye bye. Please like my channel Cheers to Life and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell to keep yourself updated with all the upcoming videos on this channel. See you soon. Goodbye.